Push on it.
Push on.
Push the sawzall against the pipe a little bit. And then go. You done it? Motor's on its way out. Thought I'd show you a few things that were done to it. Custom motor mounts. Bolt right there in front of the motor. Somebody made some custom clutch linkage there. There's the Muncie, little Hurst shifter there in the back. Should be out in a minute. Pretty soon we'll whack that frame off. That's a pretty cool cross member there somebody manufactured. That's what the Muncie was bolted to. Now, we got a bunch of stuff to do here. Need to cut that steering column right there. I'm going to reuse that steering column. I'm going to try to reuse the handbrake in the truck. I think that's cool. Figure out how to do that. And then we'll cut the frame right about there. Right about there. Take that cross member out. I'm going to weld a piece across the top right there so the frame don't move when I cut the front piece off, and I'll have something to measure from to set my wheelbase back right. And let's see what happens. There's a number on the back of the block, 3892657, which my little book says is a 327, 64 to 67, I think. And there's the number of the head. It's 37826461, which are 327 heads. I think that little date there is for 65. I believe it's a 65 327. It'll go run good, but I think I'm gonna save it. Put a Pontiac in this truck.